to this video regarding Canon Pixma MG3640s printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer, and the ink cartridges are in the front chamber here. So open the front door, also this, and push it out. You will see this door here. Push it out as well. So wait for the ink cartridges to come here. Now go to that side. Now the ink cartridges are here, so press the lock down for both ink cartridges and take them out one by one. Now take the new ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging and simply place the ink cartridge here. Slide it in, so color will go to the color side, and push the lock up. Slide the black ink cartridge, push the lock up. Now close this door and close all the doors here, and wait for the printer to work normally. So in case there is any error, you will see the error light on the top control panel. Otherwise you can start using the printer now. Thanks for watching.